think we are up. I'll quickly just mention that. Okay. So, yeah, I guess we're going back to testing performance because I want to make sure that's out of the way. And I also set up YouTube streaming because, yeah, let's all see how that goes. Okay. Yeah, so right, so just waiting on the game to boot up because of course it's going to take itself a while. Okay. Perfect. So now make sure to double check with yeah, with what do you call it, Kitsune HUD, because that was the one that was specifically mentioned. I'm not doing well right now, so okay, let's go here. Okay, set filters. Okay, I need to set up yeah, slider first because I got the slider for yeah, this menu and okay. Let's have that opened. Actually, it looks like YouTube streaming isn't sorted because apparently it needs you need to wait a day after requesting it, so that's fun. Okay, so let's go. Ah. Okay. It seems to be holding up relatively stable frame rates, so I think it's fine, but I don't know. I think I'm going to need to get to denser areas. And or break a bunch of ores, because I just need a very sizable amount of stuff on screen, I think, and processing. Okay, I'll just go to here. Okay. Yeah, because I think we're done for pre-processing. Yeah, because frame rate's still pretty stable. Okay, so, and let's increase it again. Okay, yeah, I think that's definitely getting lower frame rates anyway, so I think that limiter's done. It's a very simple fix, really, but so in fact it'll do nothing to the vanilla game or vanilla conditions. Automatically, it's giving us a decent performance boost anyway, so that's nice. The problem with the process display is that unless there's a dedicated way of displaying it elsewhere, like maybe an OMS, which even this display I think I need to look into fixing as well. Yeah. Well, that's not good. That is... Toggle column. Oh, yep. So that's fun. Well, it's found a bug at least. Um. If calls val if child is button actually that let's stop that. Yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Actually, if in that case, there's no... So yeah, this should fix that. Yeah, we'll try that. Hopefully fix that. This one should be a quick test. That means I should also be able to simplify this. Okay. Oh, it seems like this is going to have a bunch of bug fixing things. Let me just get layout back, default. Okay, so that's done. I think what I'll try next is... Oh yeah, I was going through looking at adding a new menu for mod menu. Okay, yep, so this one. units. Attach script. Okay, actually, let's save the branches scene first to make it easier later on. Okay. Okay, let's create that. Okay, won't use that. Won't use that. So, yeah, those can get killed. Okay. Let's get this one. Okay, animate up here. We'll just have that as base one. And then that's base. Oh yeah, so it's color right, then the margin container. Got it. And name this one B. Okay, then let's get this, copy color. Oh yeah, theme. Should definitely set this one up. Okay, yeah, I think I'm done. And this should also. Okay. Actually, I might actually want to make this one a full-size window, so. Okay, that one can go anyway because. Because I am going to be using the mod menu specifically to handle this, so okay. So that will mean that I have a full-sized menu. In fact, I'm going to please pull this back up anyway. Okay, that means I need to connect this. And let's give this a try. Okay. Okay, that doesn't work. Maybe I need to do just pop-up. Perfect. Probably doesn't hide well because there's nothing on there right now, so... Okay. So that's somewhere. So now I just need to figure out what I want from this. So if I go back to this. Okay, this is a lot. Okay, yeah, so this one should be... Dude, that's the other thing. Do I want to use this tag or have a specific secondary tag? I guess for applications I can always just have another tag, but that's fine. We can figure that out as we go. So if I just grab this, or just copy over minimum size. Yep. And then yeah, VBox container. Okay. Actually, we'll just set 1280 by 720. Yeah, because actually, if I'm doing it full screen anyway, I want it to at least handle, or at least feel like a full screen menu from here. And so it's probably just going to be pretty similar to the mod menu anyway, just a bit more simple. Yeah, so header. Okay, right. Sheet 5. Actually, yeah, the offset's fine. Hmm. So five. Right. Let's see what this does for us. It actually does nothing. Okay, we'll just do it. Let's give this a test. Oh. Bottom, margin bottom, and that one's Y. Yep, I forget it's a vector. Nope, wrong thing. There we go. That looks, how's that compared to, oh, it looks exactly the same, and that's fine. Okay, so what then, you know what, that's fine. Yeah, so, I suppose this one will, yeah, like I said, this one will copy the shape of the model anyway, so yeah, so yeah, so we'll throw it in like that, then yeah, that will be, okay, so it's a regular, then list, then container info. Now one thing I'd probably do want to do, work. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. That's a asset library. Okay. Markdown labeled. This is what I want. Okay. Unfortunately, yeah, it's good at Godot 4, so it's not gonna be it's gonna be perfect for this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to convert it, but I'm sure it's fine. There's regex. Oh, there's a lot here. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to properly. I'd have to spend a while to convert this. Okay. Well, I'll keep that in mind. Actually, yeah, I'll keep that open because I'll probably be using that later anyway. It'll take me a while to convert it, but it looks solid. Bit expensive probably with how much it's got to do, but then again, I guess you have to figure it out regardless. I'm gonna have to figure out how to convert it. So, okay, well, So with this, let me just split these, offset, I'll move that down here, because that's what's going to be useful. HTTP request. Okay, so actually I'll list mods. Okay, there we go. That's all will make it great. Oh yeah, I should probably set size flags to vertical expand. And that, yeah, both these horizontal expand. Okay. This one, oh, yeah, no, oops. Okay, it's detached script. Delete that. Move, attach script. Let's make it empty. Create. Okay, actually. Okay, so that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That'll make it easier to actually deal with. Okay, so okay. After root. Yep, and okay. Actually, I don't really think I want to do it on the about to show. What I'll do, I'll just start the request on ready, because the chance of one being updated, actually, yeah, not even going to bother updating it, because just to have one request. Let me open up this again. Actually, we'll just have this as a constant. Set S const topic dv. Perfect. Okay, HTTP request. Actually, probably easier I do that anyway. And then disconnect. Okay, so let's see what this gets us. I have another subfolder for that. Perfect. Oh, and I think I've crashed the engine trying to read the body. We'll give it a second. Hopefully it will fix itself. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I actually need to go check some of my other code because I don't remember how to handle this. Okay. Okay. There we go. Discord appears to be. Okay. That takes a while to return even for this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm certainly sick. Okay. Oh nice, it gives you a total count as well. Okay. So I can close that. Okay. And count. Actually, yeah. So oh yeah, I need to. I forget that I actually need to translate the stuff. So OneDrive, projects, exports, translation tracker. If I paste shortcut here. Okay. Add. List. Title. Okay. Okay, and if I, that's header. Count. Yep. I'm going to... I know I shouldn't really be editing this manually, but I don't really care. There we go. That's what I'll use instead. It's way cleaner. And this one I can probably just theme override font. Include. Carry a bold. Probably do a Verdana small. Okay. Actually, I'll just import. Okay, export. Make sure it just gets saved properly. That's all I care about. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, I should probably translate that first. Okay. Yeah, let's have a fallback. Oh my god, it says lost station. No wonder it took so long to go down the wire. Okay. Well, let's see what this does. Remove the breakpoint. Let's just care about seeing some cool stuff happen. Okay, not many. 26 available. Probably should increase that font. Yep. Okay. Still hasn't messed up that badly, and it'll be fine. Okay, and then sorry for that. That lists the count as a separate thing entirely. So what? Scroll with analog, okay. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Okay, and then let's get that data again because it'll make it easy for us to see it. Okay. 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 Perfect. And now I just need to actually make a mod label. Okay. Okay, no, vertical expand. This probably is worthwhile imitating because I think, if memory serves me, I don't really use GitHub enough to know if there's icons. I guess, does it give me a... Okay, so I can just use the owner. That's simple enough. Yeah. So this is basically what I'm going to copy. Okay, add node, each box. We use this as a base. Actually, okay, have lib. UI, mod menu, fetch GitHub, list items, mod item. Attach script. And then we'll have it handle its data on its own because why not? Okay. Okay. Box equals. Oh yeah, I probably should for item in date. Okay. items. Oh, I didn't realise that. I'm an idiot. Also, in retrospect, it's probably going to take a while for it to complete, but I'm sure people understand, you know. Item. Oh, that is so much data. Okay. Well. Okay. Boot. Signal. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's simple. But yeah, I'll have a function to finish. Perfect. So, what item? I'm still going to want. Okay, icon 100 by 100. Okay. Actually, I'll make sure to theme this because to make it easier later down the line. I'm sure I did the same here. Yep. So that. So more button. Then. Okay, it seems to have a focus. Goes to itself. I guess I can just copy the icon from here because that's a safe bet. Okay, let's see what these. That seems a bit off. Why are you 128? Oh, I don't have expand on. Oops. Keep aspect centered. Oh yeah, that's important. Yeah, okay. Name and author. Okay, size flags. Okay. Okay, right, size 6. Okay. See what this gives us. So name, author. This one. I'll use the same modulate. So why not? Paste. Okay, so leave our button. Leave our author label. Perfect. Let's see what this gives us. That's what we want. Okay, so name. Okay. Okay. Oh no, there we go. Yeah, so okay. Get owner. then okay, nope, not one thing. Log in and then like it out if needed. What do you mean not no permissions? Let me just desktop. Okay. Okay, let's run. Okay. What do you mean nil? Unless of course. Let's see what that does. Okay. Okay, so that's the issue you're gonna give me. Oh. Okay. So what does it mean null? Okay, let's so something's obviously going wrong. It's yeah, obviously. UI menu. Just get list items. Let's see. It's definitely let's move all of these to here. Yeah, I know. Let's let this run. Okay, well that's somewhere. So yeah, I mean, yeah, somewhere. So Do we have pointers here? Not yet. Okay, yeah, because we'll need that for the get node. Image PNG. Yeah, so okay, so what's I gonna do? Oh yeah, so if I breakpoint this, I'm gonna see. I don't know how I get data images. Yeah, because that's getting it as a file. What I need is it rather as data. Okay, var. Rel. Okay, in that case we'll need another HTTP request. And yep. Okay. Okay. Then yeah, I guess same thing as that. Okay. Let's see what this gets. Didn't give me any. Oh, there we go. Okay, was it? Oh, I need to be in a tree. Okay. Okay. I've never actually used. I don't think I've used HTTP client before. So methods request. That's great. Tree. inventory entered. Okay. Actually, why do it like that? So we need. Oh. Oops. I don't need that anyway, so. Yep, was it? Okay. Okay. Let's. Okay, yep. Of course it's not in the tree. Of course it's going to fail at that. I love the fact you can just... It's such a cheaty workaround using the autoloads, but hey, it works. Okay. Let's request raw. Let's see what this does. At least it gave a request, it accepted it, so... Okay, let's see. 1590. I think. Okay, that's. Okay. Don't need mod packs. Methods. Create from data. Is there a uniform? That one's definitely WTs. I'll use this. 46. Well, that sucks. Well, I'm sure there's something I can use. actually. It's PNG. Okay, so it's safe to say they're probably... Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, good. Um, let's see. Wait, can I just... Let's see, does this work? It'd be really cool if this worked. Oh, hey, I didn't even realise you were back. Okay. So, welcome back anyway, so I don't know if you're hearing this, but, let's see what OBS says. Oh, that's why, because it's got this one window I clicked. Oh well, welcome back. That didn't work. PNG from Buffer. Um, let's see what this does. Oh, there we go. Oh, I hovered over a large object. Let's go. Give it a second. Yeah, that's... it did... I mean, hey, it at least set the the texture for it, so it did something. Just that direction is down. So did a bit with the stuff earlier, but right now I'm dealing with... I don't know why I have this open. I am dealing with this specific issue here. Okay. Okay. Oh, and it's still going. This is not good. Well, we'll give it a second. I'll explain things as I go, because basically over this searching for GitHub repositories, this was asked of me like months and months and months ago, like back in the day, like early in the days of the original mod menu, which in fact, I think it's been so long since I last did anything with it that it's that far down. But yeah, so issues, yeah, since last March. which is about 13 months ago. I've been asked this, so I'm finally getting around to doing it. And this, okay, I'm just going to end process. So we will just reopen that. Now I've got to open up everything again. Whoop-de-doo. Okay. Let's... And now I know to avoid hovering over that data variable. Okay, oh, you're asking what you were looking at. Okay, so actually, sorry, I completely misread that. Oops. Okay, so I see what you mean about interwebs. Okay, so with this, basically it's just a list of ideas. So first section is like for equipment, then second section is what I will do with the construction. Basically, like basic general idea is to, instead of just buying the frigate from the dealer like you can do now, what you instead do is download it as not download it, is you have to find a one of yeah, I mean eyeballs maybe connect more, I mean probably more so ideas. So I think yeah, because I don't know, I just need ideas, that's all. Maybe I just need to download the file instead. Let's open up cache. Okay. Yeah, here. So, yeah, node ID. So we'll use that. Dot. Okay, so download file. Okay. So, yeah, file path, user. Okay, then here, so I just want to do mod menu because I guess that would also make sense. Okay. 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 Check folder exists. Yes, that's Actually, I don't even need to deal with that. That gets handled with that already. But yes, Zerbins are the yeah. Heat and electric. Give me a second. I'll just open up the specs. Alright. Oh, hey Raylan, welcome up. Welcome to stream. Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, probably hasn't. It's a very small modding community, so that's probably why. Yeah, it's like there's only like two of us actually making mods right now. It's like, so that's also why it's not enough to oh, there we go. Okay, so um power is 50 megawatts. Actually, we don't. I never calculated thermal. Okay, well here's a tangent I have to go on. So okay. No. I want modules, not here. Torch slot. Close that. Oh, I'll select on it anyway. Okay, so if I open up this, all sorts of things really. I mean, right now I'm working on a means of downloading more mods. Yeah, and what I'm currently being asked to checking is for probably one of the largest content mods, which covers like, yeah, I know, same thought process. But yeah, the mod I'm currently looking at stuff for is one that covers like adds a bunch of stuff like a lot of new ships, lots of new equipment, like torches and stuff. If I open up the GitHub page for it real quick, no, of course, I don't know why it does that. It's perfectly valid to me. But, I mean, yeah, I haven't updated the README for it, but this is everything that this mod contains. There's a few other things. There's, like, a lot of quality of life stuff, so, I mean, yeah, you can, actually, if I go back, I mean, if you want to find it, just go to the wiki, which, yeah, it's delta-v.codera.pl, and then there should be a modding section and a mod list, and, yeah, this should have everything right now, as far as I'm aware, so yeah. So that's, and yeah, I mean, and if there's anything that isn't covered by mods, I'm sure, yeah, you can suggest it, either, yeah, make a comment on one of mods, or go join a Discord, and because there's an entire channel dedicated to to mod ideas, so this one, I'm trying to think, what's the, okay, I'm gonna get up a calculator on my other monitor. So I really need to, okay, where's the power? This is probably, oh yeah, that's electrical power. Okay, process. No, okay, here we go. Right, here we go. So this should be thermal target power. Okay, that's the other thing, is that this is a lot of stuff here. So that's electric. Okay, need one of these. Okay, yeah, this is actually what I needed. Okay, perfect. So this is the equation I'm going to be using. If I S 0 I 0. Okay, which means that, so real thrust times 10, so that's, I'll just copy paste it in, then specific impulse, should be exhaust velocity, okay, it's put down here, 66, 22.7 gigawatts apparently, but okay, let me just, I'm going to go check, actually before I do anything, I will have this open, I'll copy this so it'll be easier, so 22.7 is what I have it, actually it's 22.8 if you round it up, and I'm going to quickly get the, just so I'm working the right units, torch, no, what is it called, there we go. So K37 is 5.6 gigawatts, let's plug these numbers in. Specific. That's, oh wow, that is actually, wait, are my numbers correct? Yeah, absolutely. Oh, that is a lot of thermal. Oh, hang on a second. There's the other thing. Do these have? Oh, okay. That's why they don't have external power, because the thermal consumption is in the range of like terawatts of thermal power, not gigawatts. So it uses external power. So it's literally, so it doesn't consume any thermal power, at least from the reactor. Interesting. So, actually, I'm actually going to realize I'm going to want. Okay. Okay, I'll just have that to make it easier later on. So if I just bring that down, that's not going to work. So methods. What was it? Properties. Okay, yeah, so that's exactly what I'm going on. So it is going to download. So okay, http dot file. Okay, GitHub list. Okay, icon cache. File path. Actually, that sounds. What's that? Plus. Actually, okay, let's put a breakpoint. I just need one to make. Actually, why am I even? I don't even really need to do that. I can just check the data itself. Yeah. So plus Okay, yeah, so, if I... icon... Okay, okay, if not... Okay, icon dot access is okay, so that should be that part done. Now I just need to figure out downloading it, so... oh, the joys of programming. Get any second now. Oh! Oh, right, it's not a function, is it? Ah. I guess there's something already with wrong with the on ready phase or something. Okay, there we go. Wait a sec. Oh, wait, that's why. Because it's not actually able to do that. I forget that I'm not working inside the tree for once, so... Okay, that makes everything different. So, it's... yeah, no wonder it was having problems. Actually, you know what? I'll turn display volume on now. I'm not watching anything. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, well... okay, well, that's back to exactly what I was doing anyway. Oh my goodness, of course. I mean, you're at work, so don't put this as a priority by any means, you know. There we go. Okay, that solved it. And that means there should be... which if I add .png... yes... oh, it's open. Okay, never mind. Try again. Perfect, okay. So, that's just a typo from me. Okay, so... and I guess I can... unique icon... there, to make it easy for viewing. Okay, actually... we'll have that there, so... and yeah, so... icon.texture... actually, yes, I need to... like that. And let's see what this gives us, because hopefully it's actually something forward for once, or because for a very single player game like this, I've been doing an awful lot of modding, heck yeah. So because I don't really know if you can get icons for GitHub repositories, I'm just going to use the user icon, because if I go here, let's see if there's anything. Okay, well, yeah, so now I just need to center this. Oh, yeah, I should probably center that text. Header. So now I've got the items done, at least. List mods. And then, yeah, actually, well, yeah, so if I can just set up a signal. What's up? Okay, so, and with that, okay, just make sure, press, okay, and, okay. Okay, and we'll... Actually, no, we probably shouldn't do it like that. That's way too much data to be transferring around. I will have a format data, and we'll just submit this. I'll deal with that later because, yeah. So, no. I'm also going to want the README. Is there a way of getting the README directly? It'd be really nice. Doesn't look like it. That probably means I'm gonna have to get the file system. Boy, of course, because why not? Luckily, luckily, I don't. Time is not an issue because, I mean, of course, unless you're on. I mean, it's all plain text, so should probably be fine. I should probably be getting the URL. Yep. Okay, back here because so much stuff I need to forget. GitHub file system. Yeah, that was actually a different way of I was going to go about doing it. So I'm going, of course, because I've done it for the mod main, and yep. Oh, and that's automatically getting a file. So I'm actually going to need to get the file system. Okay. Okay, and okay. Okay, then notes return. Yeah, I think that's fine. And then self. I don't actually remember. Fetch get update. Okay, and then yeah, so complete. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's just tool being itself. Okay, that's weird. Oh. I might actually want to cache this because this is a lot of a lot of calls to GitHub. I'm probably just gonna run out of API calls by the end of this. This might be a problem because yeah, that wasn't very much of an issue with the original update I had. Is it? Branch to. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, that's a problem. Did I accidentally try and get the wrong? I probably did. Okay, what was this? Oh, that's why. It's using a completely wrong URL. So, that's on me, because I blindly went. That's what I want. Okay. Oh. Oh, there we go. Yep, there you go. There's the rate limit. You know what? Let's see. How do I go about? $60 requests per. Oh my goodness, I've probably been doing this for a while now. Okay, 5,000 freeze. Okay, so this is. So I'm not going to be able to finish this tonight anyway. So. Okay, right. Okay, so that's probably what I need to do. Just. Okay, well. It is so nice to know that this is a very expensive operation, or that I've just done it so much that. In fact, if I were to probably open up one of these. Yep. So I'm going to need to. So I can't even. Yeah, I can't even do anything from this now. So I'm going to unfortunately have to put this on hold. Which basically means that. Okay. Yeah, just. Yeah, so I just have it just not do anything. Because obviously I can't do that. Let me go check this, because this is. Yeah, because I really want to know if. I mean, if there was a. That's just to go to. Actually, is there any restrictions on what you can set as the markdown file? Because there may be one way around it. So. Is there actually? Can I just list files like this? You know, okay, so this actually could be a simpler. This could be a simpler way of doing it anyway. Alright, well, honestly, I think I'm kind of stuck on stuff to do anyway, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. I think, yeah, I've been going for basically 2 hours now, so I'll leave this for tomorrow or whenever I next get up to stream. So, well, yeah, so thank you everyone for dropping by. Yeah, thank you, Raylan, for stopping by for stream. Let's see about raiding someone. I think Greenie's online, so yep, we'll drop by and start raid, and yeah, so yep, pretty much all done. So yeah, and yeah, thanks everyone for joining, and yeah, have a good day, good night, wherever you are, and yeah, we'll see you around soon.